This is a sophisticated, gourmet comfort pairing. The nuttiness of the Gruyère AOP pairs perfectly with the natural sweetness of butternut squash. To keep this easy, we will use a savory drop donut method, similar to a savory zappole or fritter. This avoids the hassle of yeast and long proofing times while still giving you a light, airy result. The roasted butternut sauce. Make this first so it stays warm while you fry the donuts. Ingredient amount: butternut squash, 1 small, peeled and cubed. Shallot, 1, finely chopped. Vegetable stock, 1 cup approximately. Heavy cream, 1/4 cup. Butter, 1 tablespoon. Salt, pepper, nutmeg to taste. Roast. Toss the squash cubes with a little oil and salt. Roast at 200 degrees, 400 degrees for 20 minutes or until soft. Sauté. In a small pan, sauté the shallot in butter until translucent. Blend. Place the roasted squash, shallots, and half the stock into a blender. Blend until smooth. Finish. Pour back into the pan. Stir in the cream and remaining stock until you reach a dippable consistency. Season with a pinch of nutmeg and keep on low heat. This is a sophisticated, gourmet comfort pairing. The nuttiness of the Gruyère AOP pairs perfectly with the natural sweetness of butternut squash. These are crisp on the outside and cheesy in the middle. 112 cups, all-purpose flour, 112 TSP baking powder, 12 TSP salt, 1 cup Gruyère, finely grated. 2 large eggs, 3/4 cup whole milk, 2 tbsp chives, finely chopped. Oil for frying, vegetable or canola. Mix dry. In a large bowl, whisk the flour, baking powder, and salt. Mix wet. In a separate bowl, whisk the eggs and milk together. Combine. Gently fold the wet ingredients into the dry. Do not overmix, or the donuts will be tough. Fold in the grated Gruyère and chives last. Fry. Heat 2 inches of oil in a heavy pot to 175 degrees, 350 degrees. Scoop. Use a small cookie scoop or 2 spoons to drop rounded tablespoons of batter into the oil. Fry for 2 to 3 minutes per side until deep golden brown. Drain. Place on a wire rack or paper towels and immediately sprinkle with a tiny bit more salt. The cheese. Use a box grater on the finest setting for the Gruyère. This ensures the cheese distributes evenly through the batter and creates lacy melted pockets rather than heavy clumps. Oil temp. If the oil is too hot, the outside burns before the middle is cooked. If you don't have a thermometer, drop a tiny bit of batter in. It should sizzle and float immediately. The dip. Serve the sauce in a shallow bowl or individual ramekins for dipping. Pro tip. For an extra donut feel, you can put the butternut sauce into a squeeze bottle and inject a little bit into the center of each warm donut.